Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find my Cigna account number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can find your Cigna account number, also called custom ID or member ID number, on your Cigna ID card. Look for a number labeled ID, member ID or customer ID on the front of your insurance card. It's usually a combination of letters and numbers, example U123456789, and then you can also use the next method, that is by simply heading over and opening up your Cigna app or visiting mycigna.com on your website, and then all you gotta do is tap on login and then enter in your credentials and then simply tap on login to log into your account. Then once logged in, go to your account profile or ID card section, and your member ID or customer ID will be displayed near your name and plan type. You can also check your account number on billing statements or letters, or you can call customer service if you can't find it and ask them about your account number. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.